We're all aired down. We're at about 13 PSI, and I forgot to mention what trail we're on. We're on Slick Rock Trail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Workin' Dirt channel, Off-Road. It's been a long time since we've got Hemley 2 out here on the trail, because we are actually on the same trail that I wrecked it 3 years ago. And Tara is gonna have the pleasure of driving her first on her first maiden voyage since we rebuilt it. Right now we're deflating, airing down. Hopefully we'll go far enough into the trail where we can see the tree I actually hit. This could be, no, I don't even want to say it, but we're conquering our fears and not letting the trail get the best of us. But I'm excited for Tara to finally get a little drive time. She's been patiently working on this rig for 3 years, and she's finally gonna get to see some rocks. Are you ready? She's a little nervous, right?
Well, yeah. Spent a lot of time, we got a lot of money on a vehicle. You're like, I don't want to break it.
Don't want to break it. Break it, you fix it.
Yeah.
On your wallet now. This is your rig. Now I'm focusing on my rig, the Scout. Okay, we're going in the back way into this trail, and so my buddy Salim, he hasn't gone the back way. He's not sure which lines to kind of take, but this is relatively an easier trail, so we're gonna just follow him nice and easy. So you're gonna All right, she passed her first obstacle. Not bad. Camera never shows the steepness, but that was not bad. That was pretty good. We're gonna go right around this. Some steps here. Perfect, yep. Easy peasy, you can ride those rocks all the way down. We're at the base of the actual Slick Rock. And it's not too bad. It's just, you know, like any hill, you want to make sure you're pointed uphill and don't get all sideways. Low, low. You got the doubler, didn't you? Oh, nice. Very nice. You're cheating, basically. Good job. Keep it going. Just keep your tires on the inside of that rock. You don't want to ride any rocks on a steep hill like this. You having fun yet?
Yes.
Go wide. Go wide. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's it. All right,
Here's Wasap, yeah.
Salim found the infamous spot.
Yeah.
What I was doing was just trying to give it a little gas on this turn to kind of fishtail it.
You were just tapping on gas back and forth.
Yeah, who's not gonna do that when you got Hemis under the hood? So I knew I couldn't make the turn. It was pinned, so I didn't want to turn, you know. So I subconsciously aimed for the tree, and there's the small dent. But that little dent pushed this whole tree over almost. See, it's tilted. maybe not that much, but it's definitely more weeny than.
It's starting to heal. That's why.
Yeah, it's healing itself. Oh my gosh! So we conquered our fear, huh, Tara? Yeah, we hit.
You marked your spot
that
on this trail.
that hit right here, just dead. I punched it right here.
Go feel the tree.
This is the real ghost ride the whip.
No driver. Thumbnail, no driver. Drive on it too.
We switched to Joel driving
Because we're with Salim and he's got schedules.
I'm now he's taking the easy route.
Yeah. All right, we just got off the trail and had a celebratory beer and sandwich, and I don't know, Tara, what did you think of that trail?
I was shaking.
Yeah, I made her drive a lot more than she was intending to, but I knew she'd be, you know, she would have the skills as long as I spotted for her.
Yeah.
But they changed the end or the starting of the slick rock, so they added 2 good obstacles here at the beginning, which I ended up driving the end because Salim was in a rush, my buddy.
As you can see, he's not here anymore.
Yeah.
He had to go and
Had to go pick up his son from school, so we just wanted to take it all in because it's a nice day, and we don't have any. The only thing I think immediately that we need to address is we need to adjust the pitman arm, how it's set on the steering box, and then I have a axle seal that's leaking in the back passenger, and I think I need to add some spacers where the joints are for the long arm kit, because I could hear some things just slightly moving, I didn't want to tighten the bolt so hard that it pinched the bracket and, you know, closed in on that joint. But all that being said, everything ran perfect. The engine ran cool, no weird noises. It flexed well. We didn't need to use our winch, which is the goal. And we're definitely now ready for the Rubicon, don't you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, well, you look good driving it, babe, so. All right, thanks for watching. Tune in next time. We'll have some other adventure for you guys. And your viewership helps our channel support veterans, trails, and charities each quarter. Thank you for that. And don't forget, chime in, comment, suggest other trails. We appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.